Hey guys, it's Cindy A. Lewis. You know, dads are great, right? And even if they have bad jokes, we love our dads. And you know, we want the best for them and they want the best for us. So we want them to feel special, especially on Father's Day. Now, my dad is no longer with us. He passed away some time ago, but I can still hear him in my head, you know, his laughter and his voice. It's very special to me, and I love the memories and cherish them that I have. So I don't know if your dad is still with you or not, but I have 10 great ideas for Father's Day. Now you can use them any time of the year, but these are really great, and some are Dollar Tree inspired and some are not. I have 1, 2, 3 DIYs to go with this video, so those will be linked below. They will be unlisted, but you will be able to access them through the link if you want to. And also, I will be uploading them this week. So, for public. Anyway, so let's get into all these wonderful ideas that you could use for Father's Day. So I'm going to start with the ones that you don't have to make. You just have to purchase something for. Now, one of the things that, number one, that you can do for Father's Day is this right here, a shaving kit. Now, Dollar Tree sells all of this, except for the bags. Also, I want to show you that even though Dollar Tree doesn't have the bags, they have these cute baskets, and you can get them in black. Now, what I picked up at the Dollar Tree are some razors. These are the Barbasol razors, and you get 5 for $1. Also, the Power Stick, they had all of these in stock. So the beard wash, the beard balm, the face lotion, the shave gel, this is all Power Stick, and face wash. Then they also had by Power Stick some foaming body wash. So I'm throwing that in, and there's the pump. Also, they had these nice brushes and little Barbasol Soothing Aloe Thick and Rich Shaving Cream. So that is one idea. Idea number 2, fun, colorful design socks. And Dollar Tree had all 3 of these. This one is really cute. It's got my jute on there. And then this one, these are all men's socks and the cheese. So all you need to do, if you want to get some colorful design socks, is take some ribbon and just tie it in a bow. And then you have some fun socks for that dad, just like that. That is number 2. Number 3, if you live near a beach, this would be a great gift for dad. It's a beach bag, actually, father themed. So Dollar Tree has these huge 10-inch frisbees. Inside you can see a water bottle just for dad. Well, Dollar Tree also has flip-flops, and they have men's sizes. So nice. Additionally, you might get a freeze pack. If you want to invest in a cooler, that might be a good idea for dad as well. And then Dollar Tree also has beach balls. How fun is that? Dad, we're ready to go to the beach. Now, if you do want to go to the beach, you may want to pick up a real nice bag. Now, this bag is not from Dollar Tree. I got it from Walmart for $4.96. It's a nice, big, huge muslin bag, canvas bag, and then a beach towel. So I just picked up a beach towel that I liked, and you might throw in some sunglasses. So that would be a nice, fun gift for dad, and like, hint, hint, dad, take me to the beach. Now another thing you could do is a multi-tool set, something that you could use for multiple things. One thing you might could do is purchase something like this. This is from Walmart, and it has a lot of different bits that you can use with like the Phillips or the regular screwdriver, and that might be something that you could do. Or you could go to the Dollar Tree. This little basket is from the Dollar Tree, and it had all these cool little pieces that could be used for different things. So like this pocket tool has a can opener, a knife, a little saw, and a nail file. This one is also a stylus pen. It has not only a pen, but the stylus, it has a ruler on it right here. It has a level, it has a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. That is so cool. And then you've got this hex key set, which has 9 pieces. And then this multi-use knife is 8-in-1. It has a knife, scissors, a can opener, Phillips screwdriver, a nail file, a corkscrew, a flat screwdriver, and a bottle opener, all in one. Now the next thing that you might be interested in getting for dads is a Bluetooth speaker for their cell phone. And I have this one, but I just wanted to show it to you in case you were interested in picking up one for dad. This one costs about $9, I think. It's called Black Web, and it has the volume here, play and pause. It also has one of these key rings on the back, and it works really, really well, and it produces a lot of sound. So that might be something you're looking for dad. So that was number 5. Number 6 is all to do with the cell phone. So I've got a little bag. I picked up this little bag. It's burlap, and I picked a drawstring bag, and I picked it up at Walmart. You get 3 in a package, or you can make your own. I just put my husband's initials on here with a little phone for his earbuds. And you can pick up these little pieces to go inside from Dollar Tree, these earbuds. They had black. They also have an Apple Watch stand if he has one of those. There is a holder for your cell phone and your automobile. It just slides in between these 2 pieces, and you put it on your vent, which is nice. So you can give them all those things. But another thing along that line is a battery pack. And these little battery packs are really nice. And this one is an ultra slim. So you charge it, and then you can carry it with you. And then if you need a quick charge for your phone, then you have it. So really nice, cute ideas. This is not from the Dollar Tree. This is from Walmart. Sorry, got off on my count. This is number 6. So if you want to do something like that, Dad would love it. Now, another thing that you can do is if Dad is someone that works out and goes to the gym a lot, you could pick him up a bag for his dirty clothes or for his shoes. And this Work Hard, Play Hard tote bag is from Dollar Tree. And it's really cute and inexpensive, and would be great for those gym clothes. Also, if he needs something bigger, you can also pick up one of these laundry bags. This is from Walmart, actually. So that is 7. Now let me show you number 8. Number 8 is a set of coasters. Now I have a DIY on how to do this. I tied it with jute string and included 4 wooden coasters, and I put a picture and sealed it for using with your drinks. And so I made these for my husband, and they will be a nice surprise. And they are sealed, and I have a DIY on how to put this together. So this one's number 8. Okay, number 9 is for the person that likes to write or goes to the office a lot. Dollar Tree has all of these things, and then I did a DIY on how to make this clipboard look pretty cool. So let me show you. First, these are ballpoint pens that are all wood grain looked, and you get 5. And then this journal. Comes with a little pen, and it's really nice, and it looks almost like leather, although it's not. And then this cute box is from Dollar Tree. Looks like a briefcase, so it would be fun to put those things in. And then this clipboard is really cool. What it is just a Dollar Tree clipboard. And then I took some papers that I had, and I themed it for football. So it looks really nice. And I have a DIY on how to make this clipboard. And then on the back, I just put some of the stickers that came with my paper bag, because you don't write on the back, so it's okay. And there we go. This is number 9. Number 10 is make your dad some homemade hot sauce. Now, I made this from a recipe from don'twastethecrumbs.com, and I will link it below. This is with jalapeno peppers, some sweet peppers, and a couple of carrots. And I just made it today. It's 15 minutes to make. I'm letting it cool. This bottle is from the Dollar Tree, and it lasts for a good while. Several people say up to 3 weeks. Some people say a little bit longer. But anyway, fun, homemade, special gift for Dad. So I'm letting this actually cool. My other bottle is cooling too. I will link the recipe below, and I also have a DIY on how to make this awesome gift. Now I've given you 10 ideas for Father's Day gifts. 3 have DIYs that go with them. They will be unlisted below with the links in this video's description, but I will upload them publicly during the week. But these are really fun. So there's 3 DIYs that go with this list. A lot of these things did come from the Dollar Tree, so if you're looking for something that you can pick up from the Dollar Tree, it would be really easy to do so. I will also link my gift baskets. Now I have several gift baskets that you can buy all the things to go in them from the Dollar Tree. One is a grill set, one is a car set for washing your car and taking care of your car, one is a toolbox, and the other is a movie set to sit down and watch movies with Dad with popcorn and candy. I had to think about it. But anyway, lots of great ideas for Dad. I will link them all below. I hope that you all are able to get your fun things created for Dads just in time. And don't forget that Dollar Tree does have some Father's Day cards there. So if you're looking for a card, you can check that out too. So I hope you all have a wonderful Father's Day next weekend with your family, and that you'll try some of these crafts out, these DIY projects, and that you'll just have a good time and know that I'm thinking of you and your family next weekend, and I hope you have a great week this week. So anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate you all, and have a great week.